We're back! We're back! And this time we're going to be doing the MG. So it's actually been out of action for like a year, getting the engine rebuilt. So I'll show you what we've got. So here we go. Here's the fancy 1.4 engine. It's got 165 horsepower, I think it was. So we've got the quick ratio gearbox with the gripper diff to go back in, and we've got the Lighten flywheel and competition clutch. Got the exhaust, we've got the airbox to go in the throttle bodies, alternator, we've got to change out this bush here, we've got power flex one in there, some other bushes, power steering pump, stuff like that, and then throw it all back in the car. We've got the drive shafts here. So here we go. Fit clutch, power steering pump, alternator, bracket, gearbox. Sounds easy enough, does it? We've also got to put these seats back in it as well. And that's pretty much it. Pretty much it. And it needs a really good clean, you know. It's when the piston rings, there's just nothing left on the piston rings. It was just wouldn't start when it was cold. After the last rally I did, I couldn't actually get it round to where I normally wash the cars because it's on a hill, so it's been sitting like that for a while with a load of dubs on it. So yeah, we will get started with the clutch. Get the clutch on. We'll get the gearbox on, and then we'll just put as much as we can onto the engine as possible, and then we'll fire it in the car. So yeah, let's get on with it. Also got the battery on charge, so nearly there. One more green light and then that's it charged, so yeah. Sexy throttle bodies. Seen that I didn't put this one in. The only thought behind that is basically I need to do so many road miles because it's a new engine, new liners, new pistons, new rings, everything like that. So I thought there's no point using this. I'll just throw it in later. It didn't take much to take the gearbox out, but anyway, this is my alignment tool. Just screws out and it gets bigger and thinner. So you put it in the hole, and then this comes into the crank, and then you just tighten this up, and then it's like an alignment tool penis thing. So yeah, it's a Draper expert, if you want to know that. What's do, guys? Bolt, please. Next thing is where's all my gearbox bolts? It's been sitting for a whole year. I don't know. Some advice for you guys: if the tip's fucking blocked, don't try and press the button. It just exploded out the side. Oh my god! And it don't come off the floor. Oh man, anyway, I'm just painting some bits. That's the cover plates for the gearbox, one of the mounts, focus. yeah, that's for the alternator, bottom engine mount. No, that one's a bottom engine mount, and that's for the mount for the hydraulic clutch. So, yeah, I got the gearbox on. I think I'll put the timing cover on now. And that bracket, I'm going to blast all these brackets because they're just alloy, but they've got loads of this crap on them. So I'll put them in the blaster, blast that. That's about it. Yeah, I'll get going. This is it. Gonna put the engine in now. Hopefully it goes okay. Pretty sure it's easier than rear wheel drive, but it's been a long time since I've done it. So let's give it a go. Ooh. I highly recommend one of them adjusting things. Quite good. Oh, shit. Oh boy, I wish I had two people here. Oh boy. How am I gonna get this in by myself? Yeah, let's just drop it in. Yeah. Oh, no, I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh. Oh, it was. Turn this. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh, don't tell me the chains won't go on. Shit. Good one. There you go, that's it in. Haven't really tightened anything up, all the bolts are still slack, but she is back in. I'm gonna start this tomorrow. I've had enough now, so yeah. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.